Hey guys, welcome back. This is Chris. In this video, this is an iCoinPro review. It's going to be a real quick one, about 5 minutes, but I'm going to just give you what I like about it, and I do recommend it. So I'm logged in here to iCoinPro, and this is what you see on the left side. You got the schedule, you got the think tank, which that's daily, Monday through Friday, by Justin. Personal info, your affiliate links. You can manage your membership. Here's what I like about it. The trading software. Now that takes you to a portal right here that looks like this. This is the actual portal. And inside the portal, let me refresh the page. Inside the portal, you will get daily alerts. And in the training that Justin gives you, it'll show you how to set up the alerts. It's real simple, real easy. But you can see right here, the alerts consist of, as soon as that loads, you have what he calls a buddy coin crawler. Shows you how to use that. Real short videos. A trade finder, an RSI spy, MACD crossboss, MACD tracker, and if you got any trading positions right here, you click there and it'll show you your positions. But you have the charts. He shows you how to set up that. It's real easy. The main thing I like about the micro profit system in iCoinPro, it keeps it real simple. Okay, he uses basically 2 different strategies. That's it. That's all you need, and you can access those right here. My iCoinPro training. You can come right here and free trading boot camp, the forum, the 1-day trading course, the chat box, and then the trading portal, which I just showed you, and then the training micro profit system, part 1, part 2, and part 3, and then tips. Okay, that's pretty much it. And you can see if you have any, if you do any referrals, because there is an affiliate program here. There you can see your contact manager, your statistics, compensation plan. You can see all that, your earnings. I do it for the trading. There is an affiliate program, but I do it for the trading itself. So my link down below, if you guys are interested, you can check it out. But don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, reach out, Chris at rchrisford.com. Till next time, bye.